So you've heard all the hype about the AI revolution, right? But maybe you're thinking, well, I can't code, so I'm stuck on the sidelines. I'm here to tell you that's just not true anymore. We're going to break down exactly how anyone, and I mean anyone, can start making real money with AI right now without writing a single line of code.
All right, here's the game plan. We're going to start by looking at just how big this opportunity is, the AI gold rush. Then we'll dive into the specific business models you can actually start. After that, we'll get practical, the tools you need, a step-by-step launch plan, and finally, the core principles that'll make sure you're successful for the long haul.
First up, the AI gold rush. And we're calling it that for a reason. This isn't just another tech trend. It's a fundamental shift in how businesses get created. It's opening up doors for people that, frankly, were completely locked just a few years ago. To get a sense of what's happening, just look at this number. The AI market is set to explode to nearly $827 billion by 2030. Now, that isn't just a wave. It's a full-on tsunami of economic opportunity. And the best part? You don't need to be some giant tech corporation to ride it.
And this quote right here, it just nails it. You know how the internet leveled the playing field back in the day? AI and no-code tools are doing that all over again, but maybe even bigger this time. It means that solo founders, artists, experts, people just like you, can now build things that used to require a whole team of engineers and a boatload of cash.
And this slide really shows you how the rules of the game have changed. The old way was, have a great idea, find a coder, raise a ton of money, and wait forever. The new way, you just need a great idea, the right no-code tools, and the ability to move fast. Speed and understanding your customer are the new superpowers, not your coding ability.
Okay, so the opportunity is massive. We get it. But the big question is, how do you actually grab a piece of it? Well, this is where it gets real. Let's look at 4 proven business models you could literally start today.
So, here are 4 solid paths. First, AI content services. If you're a writer or a marketer, this is a total no-brainer. You can basically 10x your output. Next, if you love setting up systems and making things efficient, an AI automation agency is perfect for you. For all the creatives out there, AI-generated products, think art, designs, music, is a huge emerging market. And finally, if you're an expert in your field, you can jump straight to high-ticket AI consulting and training.
Now, there's a really cool concept that underpins a lot of new AI businesses. It's called the AI wrapper. It's such a smart strategy. Instead of trying to build a massive AI from scratch, you just build a simple, easy-to-use app on top of a powerful one that already exists, like GPT-4. Think of it like this. You're not inventing the engine, you're just building a really cool car around it. Companies like FormulaBot or Photo AI did exactly this. They just made the AI easy to use for one specific thing.
So, how in the world do you actually build these things without code? Well, the good news is you don't need some massive, complicated software suite. You just need a few secret weapons in what we're calling the non-coder's toolkit.
Let's start with content and design. I mean, this is an area where AI has been an absolute game changer. It's letting people create amazing text, images, and even videos faster than ever before.
Here are the heavy hitters. For text, you've got your powerhouses like ChatGPT and Claude, or more marketing-focused ones like Jasper. For creating unbelievable images out of thin air, Midjourney is still the king. And for video, tools like Synthesia and Pictory let you create professional-looking videos with AI avatars. This stack right here can give one person the output of an entire creative agency. It's wild.
Okay, next up are the tools that do the really heavy lifting. This is the stuff that lets you connect all the pieces, automate workflows, and even build entire applications from scratch, just by dragging and dropping.
So you've got to know about Zapier. Think of it as the digital duct tape for the internet. It connects pretty much any app to any other app. It's essential. And then, for building those AI wrapper apps we talked about, Bubble. That's your platform. You can build seriously complex full-stack web applications with user accounts, databases, the whole shebang, all without seeing a single line of code.
All right, enough talk. You've got the business models, you know about the tools. It's time to take action. Let's walk through a super simple plan to get you from where you are now to landing your very first client in about a month.
We're going to break this down so it's not overwhelming. Weeks 1 and 2. That's just about getting your foundation in place. Pick your niche, pick your tools. Weeks 3 and 4, you're going to focus on building your skills and a small portfolio. Then you flip the switch and go all in on finding clients. And from month 3 onward, it's all about taking what's working and scaling it up.
So what does that actually look like day to day? It's just 4 simple steps to get started. Step 1, pick your tools and get comfortable with them. Step 2, and this is crucial, build a small portfolio. Just 10 or 15 examples that show what you can do. Step 3, launch your offer. Get it up on a site like Upwork or just start reaching out to people. And step 4, as soon as you get a win, turn it into a case study. That proof is what gets you the next client and the next.
All right, last section, but honestly, this might be the most important part. Tools and tactics are going to change. They always do. But these core principles, this mindset, this is what separates a flash in the pan from a real, sustainable business.
Think of these as your 4 commandments. First, specialize deeply. Don't just be an AI guy. Be the AI automation expert for law firms. Be the AI content person for SaaS companies. Get specific. Second, and this is a big one, price on the value you deliver, not the hours you work. This is how you escape the freelance trap. Third, systemize everything. Create templates, create workflows. This is how you scale. And finally, build real relationships. Your goal isn't to get a client, it's to find a long-term partner.
So look, the revolution is here. It's happening right now. The tools have never been cheaper or easier to use. The market is absolutely exploding. And that wall between having an idea and actually building it has basically crumbled. The opportunity is sitting right there in front of you. So really, there's only one question left. What are you going to build?